Hey guys, it's Jason here with MarineMax in Dallas, Texas, and today I'm on board of the all-new 2025 Sea Ray SDX 270. One of my favorite things about this boat is actually the bow. This thing is unique and has tons of room. It's got this unique seating up front here that'll allow quite a few people up here without actually feeling all tight against each other. Working back to the cockpit here, if you've got friends, little kids or whatnot out on the boat, Sea Ray redid this head. It is massive. As you can see here, it does have the vacuum flush system inside of it and ton of room. One other thing, out in the sun, you're out in the water and you want to cool down, this bimini that comes on this tower right here is massive. It completely covers this cockpit and then some. For more information on this 2025 Sea Ray 270 SDX, don't hesitate to reach out. My name is Jason here with MarineMax in Dallas, Texas. Thank you.